Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at worldcoinsv.top, a platform that promises cryptocurrency trading services. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on the latest financial tech trends and online investment platforms. Let's discuss worldcoinsv.top. While it claims to be a crypto trading platform, there are some worries. The site lacks regulatory details, no verified reviews, and users mention withdrawal problems, raising concerns. Before investing in worldcoinsv.top or any platform, make sure to research. Verify regulations, check real user reviews, and ensure transparency to stay safe. Scammed by worldcoinsv.top. Report it on reviewsadvice.com for assistance and protection from scams. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay informed, stay cautious, and always research before investing.